Hello, in this video I am going to discuss capital and what is capital. So capital is a really simple concept. It's basically the assets that are human created, and it's, if I was to say I have X amount of capital, it can be in the form of assets, it can be in the form of funds. So these could be held in a bank, for example. So in the context of a business, the principle is essentially the same. But if I say the business, the capital of the business, we need, let's say, $100,000 capital a year. That means we need $100,000 to purchase the goods and services to run the business. So let's say if this business is a business that produces screen protectors for phones, and let's say it requires $50,000 to actually produce all the screen protectors. So that's actually to produce the screen protectors. And let's say it requires $25,000 to pay the employees. Not a lot. That could depend on what country and how many employees. If there's only two and it's India, $25,000 is not very bad at all. And let's say the remaining $25,000, don't know why I changed color. $25,000 is for marketing. Obviously, you'll probably have a lot more expenses than that when running a business, but that's essentially what the capital is in the context of a business. All businesses have to have capital in order to purchase the assets and to maintain their operations. Business capital comes in two forms: simply debt and equity. So the capital could be raised. So you could raise the capital via investors. Because imagine if this company wants to expand and it requires, let's say, $2 million to expand. It may not have that money. So what you could do is go to an investor, ask them for the $2 million, and you could have come to some sort of arrangement for that capital. It could be they get X percentage of your business, let's say 10%, which would valuate your business at $20 million, assuming you haven't had any previous valuations. Or you could say, I'll pay this back by X date with, let's say, Y interest. So either way, the investor is set to profit, assuming you pay back and assuming the business goes well. So that is what capital is. It's just essentially the money or the wealth that an individual or a company has. It's the financial assets, and like I said, the funds can be held in deposit accounts, such as a bank, for example. They can be obtained from financing sources such as investors, or potentially even getting loans via some sort of financial institution like a bank. And the capital can be held through financial assets or raised from debt or equity financing. So that's it. Really simple video on what capital is. I'll be having a lot more videos like this on finance. If you have any questions, as usual, just let me know, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.